Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook professional mode turn on problem. If you are experiencing issue turning on Facebook professional mode, here is a step-by-step tutorial to help you the problem. First of all, check app version and device compatibility. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your device. Some features including professional mode may not be available on older version. Also, make sure your device meets the requirement for using professional mode. After that, open Facebook application on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines in top right corner. After that, tap on your profile. In your profile, tap on three dot. In profile setting, scroll down and here you can see the option of turn on professional mode. Tap on it. In here you can see the turn on option. Tap on turn on and tap on continue. You can skip this. Now my profile is in professional mode. Here you can see. If you still have the problem, then tap on device setting. In device setting, scroll down and tap on apps and search for Facebook. Tap on it. Tap on storage. In storage of Facebook, tap on clear data on the bottom and tap on clear all data. Ensure you have the latest version of Facebook app installed on your device. Outdated version may box or compatibility issue. Go to your app store and search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook and see if there are any available updates. Tap update. Sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve minor software glitches. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.